Hi everyone, welcome to allthingsmaths.net. So today is a tutorial on how to use or how to create quick equations for your class on OneNote. So I've just started here a book and I've just called it Simple Equation page in my OneNote book, and I'm just typing out the equation. I don't even have to use an editor or anything, and I'm just highlighting it, and I'm looking for the insert button up the top there, and I'm looking for that math up on the right. Yep, that's it. And then I'm going to select an action, solve for x. Yes, that's what I want to do. Show me how you did that, Microsoft. Yep, I like the way you've done that. It's good for my students. I'm going to keep it there, but I really want to generate a quiz. So now it asks you how many questions. I'm going to do 10 and I'm going to generate the quiz. And honestly, that's it. Okay, so I've had a few errors at this step here. If you're using the app online, it might generate a few errors. I recommend you use the actual app. If you're using a PC, use the actual app from Microsoft rather than the online, or even, I haven't really tried the one that you download, the program, the software. So there it is. Now I'm just going to have a look at it, make sure it's what I want. I can't really edit it here. I'll show you where you can edit it. But that's the one-step equations. Now I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to go to forms, because that's where it is. But I'll also show you another step in here. So I just want to quickly show you where I got it from. So my department has actually bought the whole entire suite. So it bought the 365. So I had no issues. But if you are not a department school, or if your organization hasn't bought it, I think you can still get it for free. Because I remember signing in just with my Microsoft account, and on the right there it said free. I just don't know if the maths extra bit is for free, or you have to go pro. That's something you might have to investigate. But look, you know, I think it's worth it. Look how quickly it did things. And I don't get paid for saying this either. So look, now I'm just going to go straight to my forms. Now, there it is, right there, the one that I just created. I'm just going to give it a different name. So I'm going to call it Simple Equations, so it matches my OneNote book. You can give a description here, but I'm just going to check that everything is, that's where you can edit as well, I believe. I didn't edit it, to be honest, but I think that's where you can edit here if you don't like a question or whatever. And the beautiful thing is the solutions are already there, and you can even give it a quick run yourself. All right, have a look at what it looks like in the mobile. So if the kids are using their mobile phones, then that's fine. Okay, now what I'm going to change the theme. If you want, I'm going to share it. So I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to open up my Google Classroom. And this is a lot of questions have been about how do I, attach an assignment to a student. So there you go. I've created one for my children. And what we're doing during the holidays is just some work. So we set it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an assignment. I'm going to give it a title. Now I've got two children who are on this. I just want one of them. The second one hasn't joined in our Google Classroom yet, but when she does, she won't see this. So I just want to assign it to one of my children. He is capable of doing that. She's not yet. So down here, I will just pick the kid that I want. Okay, so that's here on the right. Okay, you can create a rubric if you want. We can do, if you would like to know how to do that, we can show you next time. And you should assign, or you can schedule for later. Okay, and that's it. Easy as that. And I'm just going to go Simple Equations, just test that it does work. The link. Yep, all good. And that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please send me any questions in the comments below if you want to know how to do something else, or if you're getting stuck on any of these steps. Thanks for watching.